A precision manufacturing company discovered that one part number was quietly draining $77,000 per year from their bottom line. But when they dug deeper into the data, they found nearly $600,000 in total operational inefficiencies hiding across just 12 parts. Here is how they uncovered this massive profit opportunity. Like many mid-sized manufacturers, this precision manufacturing company had their operational data trapped in three separate systems. Production tracking in their ERP system showing quantities and cycle times, quality control data living in spreadsheets with defect rates and inspection results, and raw material inventory in yet another system tracking supplier deliveries and material costs. Each system worked fine individually, but nobody was connecting the dots. The production manager knew part P010 had high output. The quality manager knew it had a 7.5% defect rate. The inventory manager knew that they had $64,000 in raw materials tied up for this one part. But nobody saw the complete picture of what this was actually costing the business. This is exactly why I teach manufacturing managers a systematic three-step methodology to connect their scattered operational data. Step 1, bringing the systems together using part numbers as the common thread. Step 2, calculate the true cost of inefficiencies, not just the obvious costs, but the hidden rework, scrap, and opportunity costs. Step 3, identify the highest impact improvements that deliver immediate results. Let me show you what this revealed for this manufacturing company. Using NIME Analytics platform, we connected three data sources in a simple visual workflow. The platform handled all the technical complexity while keeping business logic transparent. First, we joined production data with quality data using part number and date. Then, we added the raw material inventory information to complete the picture. Finally, we calculated hidden costs, rework expenses, scrap costs, material waste from defects, and working capital tied up in excess raw material. Here's what emerged from the analysis. Part P010 topped the list at $77,000 in total annual cost impact, $12,723 in hidden production costs, plus $64,000 in working capital tied up in raw materials. To add on another layer to this information, when we look at this data from a machine perspective, we see that machine M102 has the lowest defect rate at 2.7%, while machines M101 and M103 both ran over 5%. Moving high impact parts like P010 to machine M102 could save $15,000 annually in hidden costs alone. Across all 12 part numbers, this manufacturing company identified $585,000 in working capital tied up in raw materials with $119,000 in annual hidden costs. But here's the key insight that separates the strategic thinking from just collecting data. They had been focusing on individual part problems where the real issue was machine optimization. Machine M102 consistently delivered the lowest defect rates at 2.7%, while the other machines ran over 5%. By systematically moving their highest impact parts to the best performing machine, they could immediately recapture $15,000 in hidden costs while freeing up significant work. The real value wasn't just the specific dollar amount. It was developing a systematic methodology to uncover these opportunities. Now their managers could apply the same approach to any operational challenge, turning scattered data into strategic decisions. This systematic approach to connecting operational data is exactly what I teach manufacturing managers in my coaching program. You don't need to become a technical expert. You need a proven methodology that turns data chaos into competitive advantage. If you're tired of making decisions based on gut feel when you know your systems contain the answers, I've created a manufacturing data audit checklist that walks you through this exact process for your operation. It identifies 23 most common hidden cost opportunities, in manufacturing and shows you how to calculate the true business impact, including working capital optimization. Download the checklist below, and if you'd like to discuss how this methodology could work in your specific situation, book a strategy session. Let's turn your scattered data into systematic profit improvement.